Okay, so we're back looking at our SSR 189 battery problems. For those that don't know, I'm gonna catch you up. This is the battery it came with. This is the original battery that I got this bike with. You can see it's Chinese. I'm pretty sure this is the original battery that comes with the bike. This battery went bad. I started riding, it wouldn't start. I went to AutoZone, they said it was a bad battery. I looked online for a battery. This is what I got. You can check out the model number, all that stuff. It's a 12 volt. I got it off Amazon for $20. Went to AutoZone, made sure it works. Does work. Didn't start the bike. This is the battery we have now. I already put it in. I'm not gonna take it out. I'm sorry. This is the box of the battery that's in there. YTX4LBS. So I don't know why this one didn't work. YTX4LBS. Standard. All that stuff looks like it's the same thing. 12 volt, all that. I don't know. It just didn't work. So yeah, I didn't go to Nash Power Sports, but shout out to them. You can see this battery was $60. And actually, this is the same battery that Hen has in his bike, and he has 125 SSR, and his came with that. And I guess he bought his bike from these people. So after we changed the battery out, Hen went to go take it for a spin, and this is what it looked like. So Hen did get the bike to go with the electric, with the new battery in. It was rolling, but once he stopped, the bike stopped. We don't know. Something's wrong where the bike just doesn't work. Actually, I posted this on Snap, and someone slid up, shout out Jared, and he told me, did you check your spark plug? I said, I don't even know where the spark plug is. But after some research, we found out where the spark plug was. So I'm gonna show y'all how to check your spark plug. As you can see, it's already screwed out because I already looked at it, but we'll get to that. So the first thing I had to do was pull this red piece off the metal. Again, it's already screwed out, but pull the red piece off this metal piece. So it would have to pull off like this. So yeah, after you pull off that red piece, sorry, that was bad recording, but after you pull off the red piece, this is what you'll be stuck with or left with. The screw is gonna be all the way in, obviously. Grab a socket wrench, I believe it is, cover it, loosen it, and then you can take it out. And then here's your spark plug. And as you can see, mine is fried. I looked it up. They said when it's real black like this, it's because your carburetor is not clean. And obviously we haven't done a carb clean yet, so we're gonna get to that, but we're also gonna need a new spark plug. So we went to Oreilly's because Jared said AutoZone gives you car spark plugs, and we needed the NGK one specifically, so here we got it. Okay, so we're back at the bike. We have our new spark plug. We're gonna go ahead and put it on here. And just for a comparison, the new one's on the left, obviously, and the burnt one is on the right. Put this right in here. Screw it in a little bit. And then you gotta come with the tool. It's a little hard for the tool portion just because of this right here. So you kind of have to maneuver it in there. So I was able to just take the piece off. It fits better like this. And then you can twist it as much as you can. I can't loosen it with my hand, so that's good. And then this part, take a look in there. It looks a little dirty. But I don't think there's a problem in there. You just push it back in. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to sound like when it goes back in, but it's not easily pulled out. So there that is. Let's see how that goes for the bike. See if this the new spark plug did the trick. And yeah, there you have it. This video goes on for another 2 minutes, me trying to start this bike. It doesn't start. Again, I'm depressed, but we move on. I appreciate y'all watching this video, you know, for the support and all that good stuff. If you have any advice, please, in the comments below, give me some advice. Please and thank you.